Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Do Not Track in Microsoft Edge in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your search bar and search for Microsoft Edge. Now here you can see Microsoft Edge. You just have to click on this. Now you have to go to these three dots. Click on Settings. Now here you can see Privacy, Search and Services. Click on it. Let's scroll down. Now you can see here Send Do Not Track request. You have to turn on this button to enable this and click on Send Request. So this is how you can enable Do Not Track in Microsoft Edge in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.